Hi there everyone, back with another video. In this video we will be quickly learning about the next operator in JavaScript. That's what we call it as assignment operator. So I'll just remove this off and clear everything which we have done in the previous lecture, and then I'll just clear the log. So now, coming to the assignment operator. So again, in assignment operator there are 7 types or 7 categories of assignment operator. So let me explain you quickly about that. First, we call it a simple assignment, and then add and assign, and then subtract and assign, divide, assign, multiply, assign, and modulus, assign, and at the last we have exponential and assign. So these are the 7 types of assignment operators in JavaScript. So let me explain you quickly about this, and just to declare a variable called let a is equal to 4 and let b is equal to 8, and at the last I'll just declare a c variable, and I will not be assigning anything for that. So now I'll just say c is equal to, I'll just say a. So now what's the value of c, guys? It's simple, it's the value of a, right? So if I just log it to the console, we got the c as 4. It's very simple, and it is the childish thing which we ever do in programming, right? So this is what we call it as simple assignment, right? So I'll just do one thing, I'll just copy this entire thing, and now what I will do, instead of having a simple assignment, I will have add and assignment. So now what is this? It's just doing like this. So c is equal to c plus a. That's it. So now what's the value of c now? It is 4. So it's 4 plus 4. I should get 8, right? So and hence I got 8. So c is 4, which we have got here by assigning the value of a to c, and then c plus a is 8, right? So this is what we call it as add and assign. So it is nothing but this. So similarly we can also have uh, multiply and assign. So obviously it will get the things. So it's 8 into 4, that's what we call it as 32. And we can also have multiply, add, and subtract and assign, divide and assign. Instead of this I can also have division, and we got the division of the thing, right? And at the last we can also have uh, a modulus operator, which will be giving us the reminder of that, right? So again at the last we can also have an exponential. So we will be doing that with uh, two multiple operators, and that's what we call it as exponential, right? As you can see, the last value of c is 2. So 2, this is what we call it as, let me explain you that with this. So c is equal to, it will be c uh, the power of, I'll just say a. So c is 2 raised to 4, so 16, guys. So this is what we call it as exponential and assign. So we can also have all of the arithmetic operators before assigning any one of the values to a variable here, right? Yes, guys, this is quickly important, because in order to do all of this thing, we can also use this a shortcut and do the same thing over here, right? So I hope that this is all about the shortcuts and developing a quick JavaScript code, and make use of this assignment operator, guys. It's it's amazing. It helps you to develop code faster. That's it. So this is all about the assignment operators, and see you in the next video.